Okay, gang, A7 number 53. So the first thing you want to do is combine like the little parts. Like there's nothing really to do here, but this is all like one segment. This is all one term. And multiplication is commutative. This is all being multiplied. This times this times this times this. And since it's all being multiplied, you can move it around like musical chairs. Like I could put this one sitting next to this one, right? So I could do just the 1/3 times the 3. And if I do that, if I put the 1/3 next to that, that's going to equal to 1. And if I put them together and I actually do the multiplication, that's 1. So this times this is a 1. It's like me having a 1 here with this term. All right, we don't need to write 1 because 1 doesn't change anything. So this times this becomes a 1. And again, as I said before in the lecture and in other videos, you can't flip this down. This isn't a common factor. Only common factors flip down. All right? It's not until you make something a common factor can you flip it down. This only flips down within its term. This would become like a fraction within a fraction. All right, now I'm going to look for the common factor. So this has the same binomial, 1/3, -2/3. So -2/3 is the smallest. That's the only thing that's common. So if I pull that out of the front, that would be 1/3 minus the -2/3, which means I'm adding. So that's 3/3, which is 1. And let me not forget the 2 there. Okay, now this guy, the minus sign from the middle, I'm just going across here. This guy is left over from the back. And this guy we pulled out because this is that. Okay. All right, good. All right, so now since this is a common factor, I can bring it down as a common denominator. And you're going to see in another step that I can actually now combine these, because once this comes down, these two are the same, so that means they can combine or compress together. Now here, just to save a little space, let me, you have to combine all the leftovers. Well, I could write it below. So you're going to multiply this by 2. You're going to distribute the negative on the back one. Right, now if you keep going with that, if you crunch that all it can go, this and this is a like term, so you can do 6x minus 2x is 4x, and this is a like term, so -2 minus 1 is -3. Alright, now again, since these are neighbors, that means you add exponents. You're going to do 2/3 plus 2/3, which is 4/3. So it becomes 3x minus 1 raised to the 4/3. Because when you add fractions, you only combine the numerator and you keep the denominator the same. Alright, gang. So then that's it for this one for number 53. That's the answer. Alright, hope that helped. Catch you. Bye-bye.